Hello explorers, welcome to the Great Explorations Children's Museum. My name is Jasmine, and today we're going to roll up our sleeves and enjoy a nice DIY project that our parents can do with our kids. So first we're going to need some materials. Our first material is our bin. We have paper, marbles, and a variety of different colors of paint. So let's go ahead and get started on our project. So first we're going to take our paper and place it in our bucket, and then we're going to choose what paints we want. So first we'll start with orange, and you just make a big mess however you want. You can make lines, circles, zigzags. You can use any colors that you like. Today I chose 5 colors, and our last color is just like Greedex, purple. Now that's already pretty impressive enough, but we're going to add these 3 marbles in here. Now with some gravity, friction, and momentum, we're gonna move these marbles around, and we're gonna create all kinds of different art. Now you can just slide them around, you can spin them around, and you can pop them up. However you find it, you can do it. Imagine as much as you want. And when you're done, you show off your art. So this is our final piece. I think it looks very interesting. I love how all of these colors mix together, and no matter what colors you choose, I promise it will look really great. So you guys continue making your art. Hope that this works out for you guys, and I hope to see you all in our next video coming out soon.